I mean, take your leg off, your arm.
Fuck that.
You know, they are mean.
It's about time we replace Miguel anyways. I'm just kidding.
That's a mean way to do it.
That was just for the joke, because he's probably like, he'd be one of our...
Now what's the best way?
He's gonna be like, what the?
What do you guys think? You gonna leave it to you what we got here?
Cool. All right, man. Sounds like a plan.
Give me my gloves.
1975 Ford F600. It's gonna be a pretty cool little project. What you think, James? It's different.
Lifted to the sky. It may or may not already run. What kind of wheels we doing? Like Black Rhino military look?
Has to be.
Or are we going like
it has to be. I think.
Blind some people?
I don't know, bro. I think we're gonna have to get a lot of opinions on this one, but whatever we do, it's gonna be shiny. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna take some time, but
I mean,
it's gonna be one of a kind for sure.
Even still, at its current state, lifted to the sky with some nice wheels, it'd still be sick.
Dude, I haven't seen it done before. I haven't seen it. As soon as I seen this on the auction, I said, we gotta get this.
I'm pretty sure my face is like ghost white overexposed right now.
It's all right. Hey, let's go check out this military.
Yeah, they got some other stuff here that we're hoping is for sale, so we'll see. Hey, thanks guys.
Appreciate it.
Confederate soldier statue, still standing.
Bro, this was built in what? 1861? 1861? I love history, bro. This is my thing. I could do this all day. To see like old stuff, you know? Like this is cool. I love it. I've never been to this one, so you know what we need to do? We should just start a channel and just start hitting all these old ones, bro. In Texas. I don't see nobody do that yet. Let's not post that so nobody does it. Hell yeah there, brother. You got us the title? We good.
Probably should blur that out.
Yeah. Edit it out. Edit it out. Woo! Alright, so we got what we need. We got the truck.
I'll wait for we'll be back with you shortly when the AC is started working.
see if it runs, dude. 1975 Ford F600 gas engine.